Hello, welcome to the BCC coding series. Today we're going to build this Lego image you see here. We're going to call him Happy. Before we get started, let me say a couple of things about Happy. First of all, his smile is made out of black Lego bricks. And at level 1, when you're coding at level 1 in Bricklayer, we don't have black bricks. We only have gray bricks. So I'm going to substitute his mouth and make it gray. Another couple of things as far as how we're going to lay this out. I'm going to consider this position right here to be the origin. So this is where 0, 0 is. And then one more thing. The width of Happy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy is 9 wide and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep. Okay, let's get started. So here we have our sort of template. We're coding at level 1. We've made space to fit Happy. We're going to display Happy and give him a name. And let's get started. So we're going to put a 1x1 gray brick at location, where's our first one? We're going to build the smile first in Happy. We're going to go from left to right. So the first location is 0, 2. Then we're going to have 1, 1. And then 2, 0. So 0, 2. That's the left corner of the mouth. I'm going to do cut and paste to save on typing. So Control C, cut. Control V to paste. We're going to move the smile down a little bit. And now comes the bottom of the mouth. And this is going to be a 2x1 brick, a 1x1 brick, and a 2x1 brick. So we start out 2x1, whoops, 2x1, and this is at location 2, 0. Then our 1x1 brick is going to be 2 over from that. And then we're going to have one more 2x1 brick, and that's 1 over from this guy. That will be at 5. And the right corner of the mouth is going to be very similar to the left corner. The only difference is going to be the value of the x coordinate here. So we have, this is going to be position, if this is 5 from here, then this one is going to be 5, 6, 7. So we're going to have 7, 1 and 8, 2. And I like to read this a little differently, so I'm going to move this around. So the way the code looks right now, we have the left corner of the mouth coming down, the bottom of the mouth, the right corner. All right, let's run this and see what it looks like. All right, so far so good. Let's go on to the nose. The nose is right in the center, and it's the height of the corner of the mouth. So this is going to be, the center position is right here. That's where the nose is. And it's going to be the height of the corner, which is 2. And of course the nose is yellow. All right. And the eye, the left eye, is at the same X position as the left side of the bottom of the mouth, and it's position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as far as the depth goes. So the eye is going to be here. It's blue. And so 1x1 eye, and it's at the same position as the X value as the bottom of the mouth on the left, but it's at depth 4. The Z value is 4. And the next eye on the other side is the same depth as this, but the X value has increased by 4. So I'm going to add 4 to this here. So let's run this and see what we get. Ta-da, it looks good. Okay, so I would like to say a couple of things about how I wrote this code. If you've noticed, I kind of took advantage of when I was counting where things were supposed to be positioned. I kind of took advantage of the fact that I knew where other things were positioned. So for example, I knew where this brick was placed, and so I didn't have to always count from the origin every time. So that's kind of an important idea. So you should try practicing doing that when you're writing your own code as well. Okay, so now let us blow this guy up. Turn on the volume here a little bit. You can't see him. There, maybe like that. All right, here we go. And that, my friends, is the reward for a job well done. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you next time.